Hey friends, Robert here at Daybird Aviaries. We're going to start with the teeniest, tiniest little baby. This is a little ringneck that has just hatched. It is just 2 days old. I've got to get my glasses on so I can see the thing. Here's where I left that. I put it in there so I wouldn't lose it. And then forgot about it. The little pipette I'm using, it's just a tiny little, what did I say, 1cc pipette. Hey baby. The humming sound you hear is my brooder. I'm going to have to replace this fan in it soon. Let's get this out of the way. Here, turn your little head. Hey. Very soon. Probably I'm going to order the parts for it tonight. Here, can you take... There you go. This is a little girl. I know that because she has red eyes. And I know that the mutation, the dad is a violet and the mom is turquoise. The dad is violet split to pallid. And when she first hatched, she wouldn't even take but a drop at a time, and she's now up to almost 2 cc's. So let's get out some of the other babies. Let me get this big giant thing. I'm really, really liking this. I know that it looks like a huge giant medical instrument, and you know, it probably really is. I've used them to worm goats with for a long time. This really hard acrylic syringe. It has the silicone rubber gasket on the inside. But look, the bird just takes the formula just like that. This is a cockatiel, by the way. Here, baby. Here. Move forward so everybody can see you. You tangled up in that already? Let's not do that. Here. And I have some baby ringnecks. Let's see. I think I have 2 blues and a violet. Here. Here. Yeah, I know. Here. Here. Just like that. And you're full. This is one of the blue ones. You tangled too. Here is another blue. Here. Here, baby. Uh-oh. Don't go too far. Here. Stay here so everybody can see you. Don't go that way either. Come back here. And here is the one we think is a violet. I'm colorblind, so I don't know. Jeremiah says it's violet. I don't know how he knows that. I guess he can see the very tips of the feathers breaking through. And these that are blue, it's entirely possible, probable that they are actually turquoise blue. And we just won't know that until more of the feathers come out. There's the little cockatiel. I'm going to put her back. Here, little violet and blue and turquoise ringnecks. I have... You got Guppy on your band. That's neither here nor there. We'll get that cleaned off in just a moment. Here. I don't even know what that is. Good grief. I have 2 more ringnecks to feed. Here. Come on, baby doll. Here, baby doll. Look at that. I know. Blue bird on a blue towel. Not very smart, is it? I'm not very good at this whole YouTube thing. Been at it about 8 years and I only have 4 subscribers. Thank you for watching, by the way. I appreciate you. I think I've got about 7,000 subscribers, and that brings up a good point. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. Only about 10% of my viewers are actually subscribed to the channel. Look at that baby. I'm going to go ahead and put him back. And here is the beautiful, this is a double factor violet. This baby has inherited a violet gene from each of her parents. And so she is a very deep, dark, mauvish colored violet. So I'm told this one's going to stay with me forever. And that's it. Thank you again for watching. God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye.